How to deafen yourself in a Discord call. Sometimes you want to mute your mic and block all the incoming sound. Maybe you need a quick break or some privacy during a call. Today I will show you how to deafen yourself on Discord. It's super simple. Let's dive right in. First things first, open Discord and join a call. Make sure you are connected to a voice call or voice channel on Discord. Now, find the deafen button. Look at the bottom left corner of your Discord app window or bottom on mobile. Beside a microphone icon, you will see an arrow. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Find something that says deafen. Click on it. When enabled, it mutes your microphone and mutes all incoming audio from others. Click on it again to only for yourself and hear and speak again. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly deafen yourself on Discord calls when you need some quiet time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.